everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoriadotpk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. Today in this video, we'll be discussing book exercise for Unit 2 जिसका नाम है Chinese New Year. First, we'll be discussing internal questions of this unit. Internal questions वो questions हैं जो आपके unit के text में site पे दिए होते हैं boxes में. First question is, why is Chinese New Year never on the same day each year? So the answer to this question is, Chinese New Year is based on lunar calendar. Lunar calendar is based on phases of moon, and moon cycle is shorter than sun cycle. That's why Chinese New Year is never on the same day, but typically falls between January 21st and February 20th. Second internal question is, what is Chinese belief about cleaning houses before New Year Day? So the answer to this question is, Chinese thoroughly clean their houses because they believe in this way they are preparing their houses for receiving good luck. At the same time, by cleaning and finishing the cleaning before New Year's Day, they make sure they clear out bad luck from the previous year. Third internal question is, why does the dinner consist of 8 or 9 dishes? Answer: it is customary for the Chinese people to make and serve 8 to 9 symbolic dishes on the eve of the Chinese New Year because in Chinese language, numeric figure 8 means prosperity and 9 means long-lasting. Fourth internal question is Chinese belief about people having character traits of animals a fact or an opinion? Answer: Chinese people believe about people having character traits of animals is not a fact but an opinion, because not all the Chinese people believe in it. Some Chinese people believe that those born during the year of a particular animal may have the character traits of that animal.